One day, when I sat down to play Minecraft, I forgot to turn my lights off and turn my fan on, which made me wonder if there is a way to control them directly from Minecraft. Well, to control something in real life from Minecraft, I needed a bridge to connect the game to the reality. And that's where this $2 microcontroller comes in, the Arduino Nano. And it's gonna read data from the game to switch any of the appliances on my home. But there's a problem. You see, the mains voltage where I live is 220 volts, while the Arduino runs on 5 volts. And trying to connect them together is like lighting a candle with a flamethrower. That's where a relay comes in. All it does is take low voltage signal and switch the high voltage load. Now that the hardware was done, next comes the software. For that, I wrote a command in a command block that would say a specific keyword depending on the lever's position. The keyword then gets stored in a log file named latest.log, which I can then read and specify when to turn on something. But the Arduino is not capable of reading that file. So what to do? We use Python, of course. With the help of Python, I wrote a Python script which opens and constantly reads the latest.log file. And when that specific keyword is saved and mentioned, it sends a signal to the Arduino through USB to in turn signal the relay to turn on the mentioned device. So to summarize, the lever turns on command block says in chat, Python reads that chat and tells the Arduino responds by turning on the relay. Sounds simple, right? Now came the implementation, the moment we've all been waiting for. For that, I set up command blocks, the Arduino, relays, lights, fans and whatnot. I tested them individually. So all I need to do is to flip this lever and that should turn this light on. And which is I guess, yeah, I tested them together. This time I'm also connected that fan and like before, by turning this on, the light turns on. But this time, turning the fan lever should turn on the fan. And it did. That is so awesome, dude. But I was still not satisfied. I needed more control, more pizzazz. Then I had an idea. Three, two, one. Yes! Yes! Fuck that! So awesome! What the hell? That was awesome! Well, that was it for the video. Hope you liked it. If you did, give it a thumbs up. I have more insane on all projects to come, and for more of that, subscribe to the channel and comment down below what should I build next. Until then, bye bye!